engine coming out, cracked pistons and that, you know. Alright, it looks like it's coming out, huh?
Alright, slowly, yeah. Keep
Right,
an
can
eye
you go
on it,
up,
sir.
please?
Alright. Give me
I'll keep an
instructions,
eye.
sir.
I'm just here as a cameraman, but I'll just keep an eye on this side for you.
Everything clear?
No.
No.
Stop. Do you want to go down or no?
Bloody, he's forgotten something on the bloody wiring loom. Your fault again.
You said you took everything off.
What is it? Glow plug wire? No, you got
It's
that.
a plug.
The plug on the...
That's the grey one here, is it? Grey in colour? Or are you colour blind with that?
I can't even see it at the moment.
What was that, mate, you were saying there?
We'll see how good I am.
What was that, mate? You know what you're doing.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
What's taking so long?
It's because now I'm in an awkward position compared to if originally someone had taken it out. When it's on the horse.
Alright, so you know, this video, trying to save you a bit of time and have a bit of entertainment here, so let's include all the jokes and all the bloopers as well.
Yeah, you let's go.
Alright, eye in the sky, we're ready?
So what happened is...
Just up.
Up, going up, nice and slow.
getting to where soon you've got to twist the engine, right?
Yep, okay.
You're clear at the moment. If you keep this side, you're still clear. I'm just the cameraman. I take no responsibility for any... I'm watching this side just clear down here. You might get away without twisting this side on this one this time. You're going to come out clear if you go straight up.
Keep them going straight up.
Yeah, the back's clear. Just watch those plugs at the back there. We're just watching these plugs around here.
Look at that awesome.
Right, over here. Yeah, no, there's not going to be any need. I don't have to touch anything around this side. Very good. It's rocking around a little bit, mate. Have you been drinking or something, or what?
I think the cameraman's been drinking. I think he's shaking the camera.
Hold it steady, mate. Come on, it's rocking around all over the place. It's making me feel dizzy. Alright, you might want to go forward a little bit now. You've got to... No. Yeah, come on, go forward. Come on, go forward now.
I want the hose to clear before you...
Yeah, right, okay, yeah, here we go. Yeah, the hose is alright, don't worry about that one.
Go
It's
faster,
just a
go
flexi.
slower.
Faster. Oh, look at this one. No engine. So guys, we could edit out all that. So what happened there was the bell housing was a little bit caught on the top of the flywheel there because there was someone thought they could do it on their own and they went up a little bit too far before they brought it out. So that's all. Everything down here is looking good.
Yeah. So
of course it had to go down a little bit before they could bring it out, etc., etc. But it's all good. And then someone forgot a plug, and anyway, all a bit of the entertainment. You get that. There's a lot of plugs and things here. So
how come you feel so tight?
It's not because you're just weak.
it's because you're rusty old wheels, mate. Need a new engine crane. You've been doing this too long. Look at that engine crane. Have a look at the condition of it, guys.
Lower it, please.
Lower it, make it safe as soon as possible. What do we got down here? You know, that's what the engine bay looks like, Flintstone style. Fred Flintstone. Bit of cardboard there to protect the condenser from any damage. Yeah, oh, look at this. But no point having an engine with a cracked piston in a car, you might as well have it out. Oh, you know what this looks like? Did someone take the injector clamp off, yeah, to bend the pipes to get the injectors out? So that was already like that, yeah? Yeah, okay. Okay. So for those people that want to do engine mounts, that's what that's your mounting bracket. The mount goes under that, so that's where you got to get to the nut on top there, through that hole just there. Okay. Show you how it goes, right? Check that out, right? Very good. Right, so yeah, easy apparently. Okay. This is the easy side obviously, but the other side's a bit harder to get to.
Alternator has to come out for the other side.
What this looks like here, this looks like an intake system of an engine that's had a remap and they haven't cleaned anything, right? So they haven't done the basic maintenance, the recommended maintenance, your preventative maintenance type thing. And they've gone ahead and done a remap and shut off the EGR because for it to be that clear, that looks like it's got a plate in it, but I don't think it has got a plate in it, and it just looks non-operational. Let's have a look what's going on down in here. Yeah, no, don't think so. Don't think that's ever been touched. I don't think any of this has ever been cleaned. So to be clear like that, that's the oil washing it out from the E-jar stop, but the oil's washing it out slowly, but the E-jar's not flowing. This is a non-flowing, caked up situation, you know, that'll all need cleaning out anyway, but then again, you probably get away with it because of the remapping. Does this even, yeah, that's seized as well, so that shaft that's meant to move, right? Oh yeah, no, it's moving a little bit now. Okay, no, it's alright, it's not seized, it's all good. I was wrong again. Okay, anyway, fun and games. Johnny wants to have his turn playing with it as well. Go and have a play. Can you do it by the shaft alone though? Oh yeah, you were struggling before though, weren't you?
Yeah, but
You reckon it was playing up a bit?
Yeah,
I think it was stuck a little bit, and you can see all the exhaust, see all the black being blowing out around the shaft there as well. And because it probably doesn't normally move on this vehicle if it's been shut off. So yeah.
Yeah, it is a bit stuck. There's a good lube.